Good evening, Arati, and thank you so much for joining us for the Regional Emergency Operating Center workshop. We just concluded the 3 days that really focused on the development, establishment of emergency operating centers. Arati, any other directions that you think we can explore other than focusing on the development and establishment of emergency operating centers?
Thanks, Elad. I think some of the areas that we can look at is how to bring it impact-based forecasting, bringing in weather and climate information, which is so critical to this region, into the decision-making for these disaster managers. One other aspect I would also suggest is to look at how this information is delivered to communities and how we can look at the early warning services delivery aspect.
Absolutely, and if we take this direction from your perspective as a TTL in the region, who would be the main stakeholders to engage with?
I think the bank is already engaging a lot in terms of the weather and climate services providers, the hydromet services providers, bringing user sectors such as agriculture, fisheries, urban planners, and also looking at how communities receive and deliver these messages.
Any takeaway that you have from the last 3 days?
Elad, I think this was a great grounding in terms of the concepts and principles, but I think now as we consider countries which have very nascent EOCs or are developing their EOCs, it would be important to look at what are the practical operational elements, what are some of the basic pieces that they need to start working with so that they can implement and translate these concepts to action.
Great, thank you so much for joining us. Thank you so much for this conversation, and looking forward to continue our collaboration.
Thanks a lot, this was wonderful.